In this section, we will learn about motd and wall. These are the two commands that can be used to communicate with the regular users. For example, on your system, sometimes you are rebooting your system. You want to communicate with the logged in users and you want to let them know that the server will be rebooted in 5 or 10 minutes and to make sure to save your data and to log out. So in that case, you will send a message to all logged in users. Also, motd stands for message of the day. Whenever someone logs on to the system, they usually get a message, and it's usually related to the company policy. For example, the privacy policy of the company, and then they get a message as soon as they log in. So motd and wall are the two commands we will cover in this lecture. Motd usually sends a message when a user logs in. Usually it's a company security or privacy policy. And there's a file we can edit to change that message and see how it works. So let me bring up the terminal and we can see how it works. So let's look at the motd file. Let's cat that file. So I'm running cat etc motd. etc is the directory and motd is the file. So right now these are a couple of lines that I've typed in here just to show you as an example. This is our company policy, only company employees are allowed to log in, or something similar to that you will be typing in this file depending on the company policy. Some companies have some type of message they want to display when someone logs on to their system or onto their server. And this is the file that lets you do that. So let's edit that file. So let's vi that file. So let me just add a line. Let's cat the file again. As you can see, our line that we just added is showing up here now, and that's the file motd. So let me clear the screen. Let me exit out. Now I'm going to just log back in. I'm going to log back in as a regular user called test. So as soon as I log in, it gives me a message, the message in the motd file. So this is where you can display a certain message depending on the company policy, what they want to display. Let's move on to the wall command. Wall command sends a message to logged in users in real time. So for example, if you were rebooting your server and you wanted to send a message to everyone saying, hey, the server will be rebooted in next 10 minutes, make sure to save your data and to log out, this is where you can do that. Or if there's some other message that you wanted to send to users, you can do it by using the wall command. So let me bring up the terminal and let's see if we can run this command. So all you have to do is type in wall and then type in your message. So I can just type in server will be rebooted in 5 minutes. Please save your data and log out. So whatever message you wanted to type, you can type it in here and hit enter. So as soon as I hit enter, I actually got that message on my screen as well, because it goes to everyone, regardless of if you're root, if you're a regular user, everyone will get this message. So as you can see, it says server will be rebooted in 5 minutes. Please save your data and log out. So at this point, you can hit any key or just hit enter and you'll be back to your prompt. And this is what the wall command does. For any reason, if you wanted to send a message to all logged in users, you can do it by running the wall command. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I'll see you in the next one.